Hey esteem, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 25, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which player has won the All England Badminton Championship 2021 women's single title? So the answer is option A, Nozomi Okuhara. So Nozomi Okuhara has won the All England Badminton Championship 2021 women's single title. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, the Shahid Bhagat Singh Samarak has been inaugurated in which city by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on the 90th anniversary of Shahid Divas? So the answer is option A, New Delhi. So Shahid Bhagat Singh Samarak has been inaugurated in New Delhi and Ramesh Pokhriyal is the Union Minister of Education. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, Danish Red Cross has launched the world's first volcano, Cat Bound. The Cat Bound covers how many volcanoes? So the answer is option B, 10. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, the Ministry of Defence has signed a deal with MDSL to provide 1300 LSV to the Indian Army, indigenously designed and developed by MDSL. What does LSV stands for? So the answer is option D, Light Specialist Vehicle. So LSV stands for Light Specialist Vehicles, and the full form of MDSL is Mahindra Defence System Limited, and the Chief Executive Officer of Mahindra Defence System Limited is Devendra Bhatnagar. So the Chief Executive Officer is Devendra Bhatnagar. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, on which day the World Tuberculosis Day is being observed globally? So the answer is option D, March 24, and the theme of the World Tuberculosis Day is the clock is ticking. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, who is the author of the book titled Bringing Government and People Closer? So the answer is option A, M. Ramachandran. So M. Ramachandran is the author of the book titled Bringing Government and People Closer. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, who has assumed charge as the new spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs? So the answer is option B, Arindam Bakshi. So Arindam Bakshi has assumed charge as the new spokesperson of Ministry of External Affairs. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, which country has topped the Ultimate Military Strength Index for having the strongest military force in the world as per Military Direct? So the answer is option A, China. So China has the strongest military force in the world with a score of 82 out of 100 points as per the Military Direct. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which state government has launched the UPEPO Shakti portal? So the answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh has launched the UPEPO Shakti portal, and it was launched by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. It was launched by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, and the aim of the portal is benefiting the farmers at the grass. The aim is to benefit the farmers at the grassroots level. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, the Ken-Betwa link project will be jointly undertaken by the government of which state? So the answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. So it will be taken up jointly by Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. They have signed an agreement with the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti to implement the Ken-Betwa river interlinking project, and the Minister of Jal Shakti is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. The minister is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, India is working on a third joint satellite mission with which nation? So the answer is option A, France. So India is working on the third joint satellite mission with France. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, what is the theme of World Tuberculosis Day 2021? As we already discussed, the answer is option C, the clock is ticking, and we celebrate the World Tuberculosis Day on March 24. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, which day of the year is observed as the International Day for the Right to the Truth concerning gross human rights violations and for the dignity of victims? So the answer is option B, March 24th. So we observe the International Day for Right to the Truth concerning gross human right violation and for the dignity of the victims on March 24. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, by which rocket system Russia has launched 38 foreign satellites from 18 countries into the orbit? So the answer is option C, Soyuz 2.18. So it was launched by the Russian space agencies. Roscosmos has launched the 38 satellites from 18 countries. So it was launched by the Russian space agency Roscosmos, and Roscosmos has launched 38 foreign satellites from 18 countries. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, the e-tendering portal Pranit has been launched by which of these organizations? So the answer is option C, Power Grid Corporation of India. So the e-tendering portal Pranit has been launched by Power Grid Corporation of India, and the Chief Executive Officer of Power Grid Corporation of India is R.N. Nayak. R.N. Nayak is the Chief Executive Officer of Power Grid Corporation of India. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, who is the head of the Standing External Advisory Committee formed by RBI? So the answer is option B, Shyamala Gopinath. So Shyamala Gopinath is the Standing External Advisory Committee head formed by RBI. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, what is the rank of India in terms of military force strength as per the report Ultimate Military Strength Index? So the answer is option C, 4th. So India has secured 4th rank in terms of military force strength as per the report of Ultimate Military Strength Index. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, the ISRO has demonstrated free space quantum communication for the first time in India. The demonstration took place over how much range? So the answer is option B, 300 meters. So ISRO has successfully demonstrated the free space quantum communication over a distance of 300 meters with several technologies developed in India. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, which film has won the Best Hindi Film Award at the 67th National Awards 2021? So the answer is option C, Chichore. So Chichore has won the Best Hindi Film Award at the 67th National Awards 2021. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, who has won the Best Actor at the 67th National Awards 2021? So the answer is option D, Manoj Bajpayee. So along with Manoj Bajpayee, Dhanush has also won the Best Actor at the 67th National Awards 2021. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any queries, please feel free to ask us either in the comment section below, or you could also contact us in Facebook and Instagram. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.